wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best padding press machines. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6, the CFS Products Mini Kit is a solid option for those who are thinking about getting into binding but are not sure that they want to invest in a large machine. It can clamp up to 13-inch wide sheets and up to 4-inch thick pads. It includes compound and a brush, however it doesn't align the sheets, and the thin pressure plate can cause flares. At number 5, the champadco PSDB P200-11 has an 11-inch width that allows it to bind standard-sized sheets of paper. The bottom frame is tilted to a 15-degree angle to hold the work in place, and the pressure plate is clamped down using wing nuts. This one can handle NCR forms and has a nice finish on the wood, but the plywood clamp may flex over time. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Blane Graphics Super Mini is a good entry-level choice for those who want to make scratch pads or for any binding job under 4.5 inches thick. The pressure mechanism uses a reliable ratcheting stop design with a serrated rail that's often used on bar clamps. It applies an even pressure and is equipped with a back plate that helps to line up paper and a quick-release clamp. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for padding press machines, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the Martin Yale J1811 comes with a hand-tightened plate that applies even pressure across the side of the pad to which compound is applied. The box is large enough to allow it to accommodate pads up to 5 3/4 inches high and 17 3/4 inches wide. It comes with easy-to-use wing nut clamps and a removable back plate. It works with carbonless paper. At number 2, if you need to produce at a moderately fast pace, the Blane Graphics Superpad accommodates pads up to 18 inches wide and can bind up to 10,000 sheets at a time. It includes dual clamps that apply even pressure across the plate. It's equipped with a swiveling base for easy access, a helpful tilt to hold sheets in place, and a 1-year warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Martin Yale J2436 Titan is a professional quality model for high volume work. It comes with locking plate doors, a full-size stand, heavy casters for easy movement, and a drip shelf to hold brushes and binding compound. It can handle up to 30 inches of paper and the wheels lock for loading. It comes with a storage tray too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for padding press machines, or simply click beneath this video.